It's recess time. Yan na lang. Recess sa. So, recess again in the afternoon. So, she wants to show me her recess in the afternoon. Okay, ganyan na lang. Recess sa pa rin. Okay. Pagpa-check na pa sila niya. Recess sa man. Saod ko kay break sa. Okay. She have, what's this? Fresh milk. What's that? Fresh milk and again the wafer. Ano to? Cheese, a wafer for the afternoon snacks. Medyo pause na po ako. It's Thursday today. Tomorrow is Friday. So have a great time. So enjoy eating, everyone. O sige, kao na, Janine. Start. Talagang nag-request siya na i-video talaga yung snacks niya today. Sabi niya, teacher, mag-video ka na. Kasi she wants to show her food. Oh. Sige, kain na, Janine. Ano yan na? Resesa. Oh, si Janine, kay gusto niya mag-video siya. Tapos siya diha. Ay, nakita na siya dito. Dahil notebook. Okay. Mamaya na mag-check. Since it's recess time today, kasi pakakainin ko to mga kids, you know. So, gutom na rin sila. Later na lang ako mag-check after sa recess.
Teacher, nawala yung gift.
Kung saan na ron? So, eat your wafer. Hindi ba yan matamis? Feeling ko matamis kasi cheesy. Medyo masakit na nga yung lalamunan ko, guys. Pero matatamis naman ang pagkain. Ayun, nakinain ko na rin yung Dough Donut ko na chocolate. Ano mo ba? Okay, enjoy your afternoon. Have a great day, everyone. Just checking, guys. Kumusta na kayo? And still alive and kicking. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.